Have you ever thought about writing an ebook? Picture this: your words, your story, reaching millions across the globe. Ebooks are more than just digital versions of print books. They're a platform for voices unheard, ideas unshared, and stories untold. With the rising popularity of ebooks, the world is your audience. And the best part? You're in control. Self-publishing means you call the shots. No gatekeepers, no waiting. It's just you, your words, and the world. So, are you ready to take your first step into the world of ebook creation? Creating an ebook is simpler than you might think. It begins with an idea, a spark that fuels your narrative. Next comes the writing stage, where your thoughts come alive on the page. Don't fret, everyone can write. Once your story is told, it's time for editing. A critical eye can polish your words into gems. Finally, there's formatting. The layout of your ebook is the frame that showcases your masterpiece. Each step achievable and essential. Now, let's make this process even easier. Meet Sqribble, a software designed to simplify your ebook creation journey. Sqribble is not just a tool, it's your personal assistant, making formatting feel like a piece of cake. It boasts of an array of professional design templates, elevating your content to new heights. Its magic lies within its automated content creation feature, turning your ideas into beautifully crafted words. Sqribble streamlines the process, eliminating the need for multiple tools and endless hours. With Sqribble, creating an ebook becomes a breeze. Here's how you can create an ebook using Sqribble. First, select a template that catches your eye. Next, add your content, whether it's a gripping novel or a compelling how-to guide. Then, finalize your design. Tweak the layout, experiment with fonts, and add a dash of color. Remember, this is your masterpiece, so feel free to explore all that Sqribble has to offer. So what's stopping you? Start your ebook creation journey with Sqribble today.